Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix widescreen problem on BenQ Monitor. So the first things first, make sure your power cable is all the way in and not loose. And after that, what we'll need to do is basically turn off your monitor from the power outlet and basically wait 30 seconds. Make sure your computer is turned off too. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. Just plug your monitor and computer and everything should fix. If that didn't work, make sure to go to the menu using the buttons and basically scroll down until you see system. Then use these arrows just to navigate through the menu and scroll down until you see reset all. Just reset your monitor, select on yes, and that's basically how you fix your widescreen problem on BenQ Monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.